You are our Lola, our lovely Lola. You make us happy when skies are gray. You never know how much we love you. Ano nga ba yung pinalit ko dito? How much we love you. Please don't take our Lola away. Hey! We'll always love you. Taas ko naman. And make you happy. And nothing else could come between. We know you made the best adobo. So please, Lola, huwag ka mapagod na ipagluto lang kami lagi. Wala na akong maisip. You are our Lola, our lovely Lola. You make us happy when skies are gray. You never know how much we love you, and we wish you a happy birthday. Pwede po bang tawagin ko yung mga pinsan ko para tapusin namin yung mga yung kantang to? Let's go, cousins! All of you, the rest of you, family, let's go! Family is love. You are our Lola, ha? Sabi ka na. Ay, bigyan niyo